Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really fun video. I'm doing my sister's 4C hair. I'm doing my routine on her hair. I wanted to see how it would turn out. I'm not a hairdresser, never claimed to be. I just wanted to see if I could do her 4C hair because it's very different from mine, which is more like a 3A, 3B. So let's get into the video. As you can see, her hair is like, I would say a 4C. She's got tight curls. Her hair is extremely thick. Oh my goodness, oh my God, I slept like a baby this night because I was so tired from doing her hair. Oh my gosh, it took hours. Yeah, like I said, it's very different texture from mine. We always get the question, do you guys have the same mom, same dad? Yes, we do. We're 100% sisters. We just came out with two completely different hair textures. Her hair is very thick, very coarse, and she just started growing it out. Most of her adult life, she had very short, buzzed off hair. She decided to grow it out recently, and it's growing very fast, but she never has it straight, so we thought it'd be fun to straighten it in the video. Like I said, again, I would link everything we used down in the description box. This is my blow dryer, my straightener, and my brushes, so it's also what I use on my hair. So yeah, everything will be linked down below, and I'll just kind of let you guys watch at this point. I was noticing here how difficult it was for me to do her hair because it's usually pretty easy for me to blow dry my hair. It blow dries out really quickly and really silky, where I had to work on her sections for a long time to get them more straight, and then I just put them in a braid because I wanted it to stay untangled and out of the way while I was doing different sections of her hair. I realized that doing sections, a lot of them, was really beneficial because her hair is so thick and so coarse. So it helped me blow dry the sections better. Yo, why are we tearing up these chips? They're so good. I'm gonna link them down below. I'm gonna link these babies down below. Yeah, I am no expert at blow drying hair because this took me hours and I feel like it wasn't that well done, but I was going to work with it because I was getting exhausted. So this is her hair blown out completely. Again, it wasn't the best. Oh, and we established that she needs a trim. Yeah, she needs a trim really bad. She wouldn't let me trim her hair. That's probably the best. I trim my own hair, but I didn't want to trim her hair. We're still going in on these chips. They're so good. I'm going to link them down below if you guys want to try them because the chips are so good. But I'm not even a chip person. But anyways, like I said, we established that she needs a trim. There's some fuzz in her hair. I'm going to get it out in a second. But she's gonna go get a trim, or she did already, I think. And yeah, because I know I'm gonna see those comments, but other than that, everything was flowing. Oh, also, you're gonna see steam when I'm straightening her hair, but that's not her hair's not burning. It's just her hair and the heat from the straightener reacting from the heat protectant I put in there. I'll link the heat protectant I use down below, but it's just the heat protectant reacting with the heat of the straightener. It's not burning. Just wanted to throw that out there because I also see those comments sometimes. When I tell you, I thought I was going to fall over and pass out. The amount of effort put into doing her hair, this day it was insane. My arms hurt, my back hurt, my neck hurt. She doesn't straighten her hair often. This would be the second time she straightened her hair this year. So it was just for fun. It was for the video. It was for her just to have a different style for the day. But yeah. And voila, here we go. This is the final look. This is what I could do. My arms were falling off, my back hurt, everything was hurting. This took hours. I think she was pretty happy with it. She was taking a bunch of selfies. I was pooped, but I think we look more alike when our hair is kind of similar. What do you think? Let me know down below. Also, let me know what other videos you want to see. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe, like the video, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.